something. If a puzzle can be solved in 30 moves, is it faster to solve it in 60 moves or 30 moves? Of course, the answer is obvious. But when you search how to solve a 3x3 sliding puzzle, what do you find? Common advice is focus on solving one row or column at a time. Use the layer-by-layer approach. Sounds boring, right? Where's the challenge? Where's the fun? Real fun is in setting a goal, like solving a 28-move puzzle in exactly 28 moves. That's when it becomes a game between you and your brain. Now you might ask, how can I ever solve a puzzle in 30 moves? I can't think 30 steps ahead. Guess what? Strongly, neither can I. But here's the trick. Train your brain on puzzles that require fewer moves first, like 4 moves, 8 moves, then 10 to 15. Eventually, your brain starts seeing the patterns. At 16 to 20 moves, it gets tough. But that's the sweet spot where your skills start growing. Some patterns get ingrained. Others challenge your memory, and all of them make you sharper. But wait, where do you even find puzzles arranged by difficulty? Just visit www.jacasra.xyz, a site with 10,000 plus 3x3 puzzles, all sorted by move count. Start small. Solve 4-move puzzles. Then challenge yourself to reach 30 moves. It's been 3 weeks for me. I've only managed to reach 14-move puzzles in target moves. Are you ready to take the challenge? Let's see how fast you can go from beginner